Eh. As a denture wearer, it is important to keep your dentures and your mouth clean to avoid bad breath or denture odor. If you're struggling with concerns about bad breath, one thing you need to do is figure out, is it your dentures, your mouth, or a combination of both that are causing the issues? To find out if you have denture odor, take a regular plastic bag, put your dentures in, and let them sit for about an hour. After an hour, open it up and give it the sniff test. You'll know right away if your dentures are starting to pick up some permanent odors. Dentures look smooth, but on a microscopic level, they're actually very porous, with lots of microscopic holes that can trap bacteria that causes bad breath. Dentures can also have plaque buildup or even tartar buildup on them, and these things can cause denture odor. To make sure you have as fresh as breath possible, there are a few things you can do. Always clean your dentures thoroughly every day. I use a combination of my ultrasonic cleaner. I have various tablets. I like Stain Away, and I alternate these. Personally, I'm a fan of the 3-minute tablets, but in reality, the overnight tablets work a little bit better for controlling denture odor. Soak your dentures overnight. Clean your dentures in accordance with the directions on whatever product you use, and don't forget to brush. Your dentures can still trap food particle in the little gaps between the teeth and on the backside. I dip my brush in the solution that I'm using to clean them, whatever tablet product I'm using that night. Give them a good scrub. Scrub those teeth. The little pointy part on your denture brush will help you get into the crevices on the back. Make sure you're using a soft bristle brush. You don't want to make the problem worse by scratching your dentures with something hard. You can do a quick soak in a mouthwash product. Sometimes I'll just put a little mouthwash, dilute it with water, and soak my dentures for 20 or 30 minutes. Sometimes I'll use a diluted mouthwash mixture in my ultrasonic cleaner when I clean my dentures. Make sure that you are also thoroughly cleaning your mouth. You need to take care of your mouth just like you did when you had your natural teeth. I buy whatever toothpaste is on sale. I use a regular soft toothbrush, and after I remove my dentures, I just give a gentle scrub to my gums, my tongue, the inside of my cheeks. And then I rinse with mouthwash. I clean my mouth after I remove my dentures at night. I don't sleep in my dentures. Then in the morning, I'll brush my mouth again and then put my dentures in for the day. There are some denture adhesives that contain mouthwash. This one comes with scope. This one says it's minty fresh. These are meant to help control bad breath and denture odor. One of the issues I have with these is I don't like that unexpected taste of mint from the adhesive when I'm eating. Whether somebody has their natural teeth or dentures, quick rule of etiquette to remember. If somebody offers you a breath mint, they're probably very politely trying to hint that you may have bad breath or denture odor. If somebody offers me a mint, I say thank you and accept it. It's a little more challenging if they offer me gum because I still haven't learned to chew gum without it sticking to my dentures yet. But I'm working on that. Just like when you had your natural teeth, sometimes the thing we eat can linger on our breaths. If you are a smoker, just be aware that it takes a little extra work to clean your dentures. And you definitely may want to look into soaking them overnight in addition to brushing them. If you've cleaned your dentures thoroughly, given them the sniff test, and you're still struggling with bad breath, see your dentist. It's possible you might have gingivitis or some sort of infection you're not aware of. Your dentist can make sure you get proper treatment. If you clean your dentures thoroughly and give them the sniff test and they don't smell clean, you may have bacteria in those microscopic holes in the acrylic where you just can't reach it. Try an ultrasonic cleaner if you have one. If that still doesn't help, go see your dentist and let them clean your dentures professionally. That will help. Over time, especially over the years, your dentures may pick up odors that you can no longer get rid of. See your dentist, see if a professional cleaning will help, or if it might be time to look at getting new dentures. Dentures are only expected to last about 10 years or so. Over time, the acrylic can become brittle and break. They can pick up odors that just can't be cleaned out anymore, or they can become so loose due to changes in your gum profile that even relining them doesn't help anymore. If you're struggling with denture odor and you've had your dentures a very long time, you might just need to think about getting another pair. I hope your denture journey is going well, and I hope we talk again soon.